So my thoughts on a possibility of Apple investing into Intel. Uh, First of all, this is rumors, and sometimes you have to be really careful with rumors because sometimes they turn out to be completely false and nothing happens. But if it does happen, I think the stock will explode to the upside. I was camping this thing. I was like sitting at like when it was sitting at like 28. I was hoping it was like below $29. I was hoping it hit $28 because I was planning to buy more, and then it kind of pumped, and then I was just like waiting and hoping, and it pumped again, and now it's at $31.22. Um, will it continue higher? I don't know. I can't predict what the market will do. But with this Intel and Apple investment rumor going on, it's going to at least support the stock to the upside, in my opinion. So I think it's going to go higher. And if this thing turns out to be false, it probably sell off and go back down to like $30 or lower. But no, but again, at the end of the day, I don't know what will happen. But if I get Intel's strategy, right? Invest with big names and force them to use their foundries because Apple uses TSMC, and if they invest into Intel, then they're going to obviously use Intel's foundry to make the chips for the computers, for their cell phones. So it would be a really good partnership if Intel can score a deal with Apple. But again, who knows at the end of the day. But Apple would score big points from the government if they manage to get manufacturing done in the US because Donald Trump's big on US manufacturing, and they would get like a lot of subsidies and pay less taxes and all that good stuff. No tariffs if they did partner up with Intel, especially that the government owns 10% of Intel. The government would be very happy if Apple invested into Intel. So, I think it's a high probability. So I'm bullish on Intel. I believe that Intel will be, I don't know, I think it could be a $1 trillion company in the future if it executes right. So look at TSMC. They're over $1 trillion, right? And Intel could be that too if they can execute properly. So we'll see. Only time will tell. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for future updates and have a great day. Bye.